Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are watching me for the first time, then make sure you go and click the red subscribe button down below and also tap on the bell icon so that you will be notified for each and every video that I will be uploading hereafter. Today's video is like one of the most exciting video, and also I'm so scared. As the title suggests, I'm going to shave my face for the first time. Oh my god, I really don't know how I'm going to do this, and I have never ever taken my facial hair. I have never removed my facial hair. This is the first time I'm going to do this. I got this tinkle razor from CLUB Factory and I thought, why can't I do a first time shaving kind of video in front of you guys? So yeah, I have watched tons of tutorials and even now I'm kind of in dilemma, you can say, because I just don't know whether to shave my face or not. And yeah, so yeah, if you want to know how I look after shaving, I'm not very sure that you can see this on screen, but yeah, so yes, if you want to know everything, then keep on watching. Okay guys, I just went and wore this chain because I felt like I looked so bare. I do have a lot of acne, but I'm not getting a lot of pimples because I have been trying the Root Mantra pimple gel and that is bomb good, you guys. I'm not having any kind of pimple. It's just my acne marks, and yeah, and I have some of my whiteheads as well, but it's okay, no problem. So I have hairs over here, my chin area. Since this is the first time I'm removing my hair, I just don't want to touch my eyebrows and my upper lip. So yeah, let's just see how this is gonna come. Anyways guys, this side I will be doing in my English video and this side I'm gonna do in my Tamil video. So yeah, but I'll just definitely show you guys the end result. So I'm just going to shave only this part of my face. Okay guys, I just don't want to get rid of my sideburn because I know I will look so bad without my sideburn. You have to keep your razor like this, but not like this, and you have to do this light-handedly. Oh my god guys, I do have a lot of hair. Let me just zoom in and show you. Oh my god, I do have a lot of hair on my face, dude. Can you guys see this? Yeah, can you just see this, no? I'm doing this really light-handedly. Yes guys, I have got rid of a lot of hair, but I'm kind of feel scary to go near my acne areas. But yeah, let's just do this. There actually are a lot of small little hairs that you can't even see in your naked eye, guys. Okay, I do have hairs on my forehead as well. So I'm sweating, you guys. Just like in any other video. Guys, seriously, this side feels so soft compared to this. This side, I kind of feel the hair, but this side it is so soft, you guys. I just love it. Because I have a lot of acne, I just can't able to concentrate so much on this area because I feel scared that the acne might spread. So I have shaved it completely over here and a little bit over here. But now this part of my face has no hair. I really don't know how much you can see it on screen, on camera. But yeah, in real there is a lot of difference between this side and this side. Seriously, I'm not even lying, I'm not even exaggerating anything, but this is so much better. But I don't know about the growth thing and all, like how many days will this take to grow, but I will just update you guys in the description box down below, so make sure you're checking the description box. I will let you know maybe the update after 1 week or anything of that sort. So Yeah, I kind of feel that my skin is getting irritated. I don't know, it's because I would have given much more pressure, but I have done it really light-handedly. I just want to wear my makeup and see how this is gonna look. I kind of feel like itching my skin. I just don't know why. Overall, I loved this experience. This is my first time shaving and I would give it a big yay. So if you want to remove your facial hair, you can definitely go and try the Ayurvedic herbal home remedies and all. But if you are not doing that, I'm not really fond of doing home remedies for removing my facial hair. I just don't do that. Turmeric actually helps in removing facial hair, but that kind of leaves those stain on your face, the yellow stain on your face. Whenever I'm not shooting, whenever I'm not going anywhere, I just try to apply turmeric on my face. I guess that is the reason why I do not have a lot of hair on my face. So yes guys, I'm done filming my Tamil video. So now I have shaved my entire face and I did not concentrate more on my acne areas because I'm just so scared. Since this is my first time, I just don't want to do more experimental things. So yeah, my overall feel would be, yes, it's nice, but I got cut in some areas, like teeny tiny cuts. There are two mistakes that I have made. One is, in some areas I have given some pressure by mistake, because this is the first time. I really did not know how to do, and here I should have kept it like this and shaved, but I simply have done this. So I have cut this part, and also this part I have got a cut. So make sure you're not giving so much of pressure. That is the one mistake I have made. The other mistake is, since the fan is off for the video, I was sweating over here and also I could not able to get rid of the hairs over here. So if you are shaving your hair using these kind of razors, make sure you are not sweating and make sure your face is really dry. And also, it is somewhat difficult to shave, because when we are shaving our legs and hands, we will have those foaming cream and it will be easy for us to shave. I've seen so many tutorials, and in those tutorials they did not apply any cream or anything of that sort before shaving, and even I have done this on my bare face, so it was a little bit difficult to shave. While shaving on my summer video, I just done this accidentally and I cut my legs, but that's okay. That is not really a big wound, that is a small wound. It's okay, that happens. So make sure you're playing it safe. Do not keep it near children. And to talk about the Tinkle razor that I got from Club Factory, it comes with a cap which is really good. The Tinkle razor is not only available in Club Factory, it is available in some other places as well. I will just leave the link in the description box down below. To talk about the razor, I just love the razor. It is way too sharp, so you have to really be careful. Just don't randomly do something, just be careful and know what you're doing. I have given you some tips and I have told you about the mistakes I have made, and also I have showed you this razor. I hope you will like this. So if you are going to shave your face, then make sure you're buying a good razor. Invest in a good razor. Don't try the one that is for rupees 10 or 15 and all, because it is your face. You have to take care of your face. So I would suggest you this Tinkle eyebrow razor. This one is available in Club Factory. So yeah, I have told you everything. I hope you really liked this video. If you like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and tap on the bell icon. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Kirti.